because some children are leaving the Parental. So here is his intervention required. Everything so beautifully today, it has been decorated and designed. I never thought that I'll come and speak here on the Golden Jubilee celebration. When we think about Darchawi, I came before 2 times in this village. Darchawi is really different. It's very disciplined, very neat and clean. It is unlike any other villages in our state. And Darchawi basically known for the Dalungs. And Dalungs also known for discipline. And 50 years, from 1974 to 2024, this long journey of this academic institution definitely dedicated contribution from different personalities, the founder members, thereafter the principals, the teachers, parents, so many people definitely have given their contribution towards this school. And I must tell you, among the private schools in Tripura, Darchawi Christian Higher Secondary School is one of the top private schools in Tripura. And this school needs to move far more. There is one line, whether it is from Robert Louis Stevenson or someone wrote, I forgot actually, and miles to go before we sleep. And miles to go before we sleep. Darchawi Higher Secondary School has to go miles. And this is just 50 years. And in the last 50 years, if you look back, it has produced many TCS officers, TPS officers, bank officers, teachers. So nice to know about this school. And also, on this auspicious occasion, I really want to remember Thanga Dalung, the Padma Shri among the Dalungs. Dalungs are the pride of Tripura and also the pride among the Tiprasas. Now I must tell the concept of Tiprasa. Tiprasa means son of the soil. And definitely Dalungs are also son of the soil. There is a misconception among us. Son of the soil means Debarma, Jamatia, Riang. I must tell, Dalungs are also son of the soil. And the translation in Kokborok is Tiprasa. Tiprahani Busa. So among the Tiprasas, Dalungs are our pride. The discipline you exhibit among our people, we need to learn. Different orders, the sub-tribes, different tribes in Tripura, we should learn from the Dalungs. I can remember today, the Jewish people, they are the people where Lord Jesus Christ, where He was born. Jewish people are the people of the God. When I look at the Dalungs, Dalungs are also blessed by the Lord. Maybe the population is only 10-12,000. I don't think it has crossed even 15,000. But God has blessed the Dalung people with so many officers, so many educated people. This is the blessing of the Lord. That is why in Kokborok we say, जों किरिना करै ईश्वर से जोंनो नायनाय God will take care of us. We need not to be afraid of many factors in our life. Today, being the leader of the opposition, you have honored me, and then I have been handed over one memorandum by the school managing committee president, Donald Lalon, and very point here, 2 points you have mentioned, that 6 classrooms, you have only 6 classrooms, and these were built in the year 1985-86, long back. I just passed my metric, and today I have crossed 50. And in old time people used to say, after you cross, you are an old man. But now the modern society has changed the paradigm. Even at 75, people keep dancing. An actor like Narwkha says, life starts after 50. I don't know how life starts after 50. And obviously, all this to be ventilated to the government. And I assure you, at any point of time, if Tipra Motha happens to be in the government, I repeat again, at any point of time, if Tipra Motha and we ourselves happen to be part of the government, the buildings and infrastructure of Darchawi Christian Higher Secondary School will be changed, I am telling you. We will not hesitate to divert the government fund. I am not going to give, we are not going to give from our pocket. It is to come from the government's pocket. And we will not hesitate to sanction fund for Darchawi Christian Higher Secondary School, which is our pride. And another thing you have written here, that although this is CBSE affiliated school, you don't have science stream till date. Very sad. We say, the constitution say, equal rights to education. But in your souvenir, I have gone through the late Darchawi Dev, the erstwhile education minister, who took the lead in giving the granting the school recognition to this school. What he said? He said that rules are applicable for people who qualify. But people, because of poverty, who cannot qualify, rules need to be changed for them also. And for Tiprasas, for all our 19 tribes, we are still backward, and if required, the rules to be modified, curbed, which should suit our requirement, and will not hesitate to do so. We must interfere, we must write letter. I'll write personally. I'll give you a copy of that as well. I'll write to the CBSE authority and also the state and central government, the education department, to sanction special package for the school infrastructure of Darchawi Higher Secondary School. So many things to tell about this school, about the Darchawi people, and about this locality. I really, if I look back 50 years, this school is surviving. Donald was just telling me, only parents are contributing. You just see how many people came on this stage today. And those contributors people who have been contributing for everything. Based on their contribution only the school is running. If government comes, or among us who are well-to-do people, if they come with a rupees 1 lakh check and contribute to this school, 100 such people coming and standing up also would have changed infrastructure in the school. But days to come, as I said in Kokborok, Kirinan Gray, and definitely the improvement of this school will happen, I am telling you. Today if I have come here, it is the God only has brought me here. I never thought, I am telling you, that I will be sharing my time with you on your Golden Jubilee Day. I really thank those foundation founder members, those teachers, those principals. I have seen in the incumbency board, S.K. Dalal, the former TPS officer in Tripura Police. He was the former principal of the school. Mr. Sukladas is the school in charge. You are also very lucky that you are the in charge. On this Golden Jubilee Day, your name also will be written in golden letters and it will be there in the history of the school. And I really thank the students also with not very good infrastructure. Still, you are doing well, and I hope in future days also you will do far better. Education is the only thing which can make us to survive, I am telling you. And I was just thinking, sitting there, days are coming, even the farmer needs to have the knowledge of science. Even the society of Dalal, that occupation show was there. I liked everything, I am telling you. The wife was tall and then husband was short. Was beautifully crafted. But one thing is very dangerous, I am telling you. That army man and his wife came. The army man was trying to kill his wife, I am telling you. Please don't do that. You can't kill your wife like this. You should have pointed your gun towards us. But that army Dalong man was pointing the gun towards his wife and he was trying to fire. I was shocked. That should not be the culture of our society. Very interesting. The performers, the children, dance teachers, present teachers, students, all of you all, beautifully you all have done, you have honored to us. I really thank all of you all. And I just want to say one thing to the parents. School has become the first stepping stone in the life of a child. That's very important. And teachers as Paul Danshu was our honorable MLA, he was telling, in school we don't learn only ABCD. We learn how to fight. I used to fight in my school days. I used to go with nice dress in the morning. While coming, my shirt, banyan will be torn. I fight in the school, play like that. Some days, in those days we used to wear Hawaii chappal. Out of one pair, one Hawaii chappal will remain in the school only, and I used to be beaten by my parents. We learn many things. School is not only for science, arts, we know each other. How nice it is to hear that Debarmas are coming to study here, Rians are there, Tripuras are there. Somebody was telling, this Golden Jubilee Committee Secretary was telling that more than Dalung students, it is other students are there. That is why it is our pride. And my dear friends, we must encourage our children. Guardian orang saran muncul. Cini cara rukun seng borok tamu hamzak ago encourage mat lainnya. Drugs out cini cara ruk they take drugs. We are fighting drugs. Nesha Mukt Tripura, Nesha Mukto Samaj, আমরা সবটাই চেষ্টা করছি। But the fight should not happen, should not start when the boy is already drug addicted, when the girl is already drug addicted. The fight against drugs should start when the child is small. Apun simino, sung borok no, agyan maranai. Sung tabu drugs sawi klai dongani zoraya hite. We as Tiprasa, we need to achieve more. Although this is not political platform, but still, the societies, the crisscross culture among us, we need to interchange more. There should be some excursion program. Darchawi people should go to Khwai, Sadar people should come here. We should know each other more. I'm sure in days to come, as I already told that, if we happen to be part of the government at some point of time, such initiatives also we will definitely take. I will not take much of your time because Paul already said, if you allow me to speak, I can keep on speaking for 2-3 hours also. My speech will not end. But there is limit for everything. I just came to be part of this joyful moment and I am happy. I remember this day and anything on my part, if I can do for the school in the capacity of leader of the opposition in the assembly, please come. I will be definitely with you for your cause. And this memorandum, I am definitely going to forward it to the Honorable CM, Honorable Prime Minister, Union Education Minister, Donor Minister. This is an opportunity for me. Once people give like this, I always forward the letter so that they also know what is happening here. So let me not speak more. I also have to go back. There are certain other programs in the evening. And today I think Valentine's Day. And somebody was telling me when I wished him early in the morning, Happy Valentine's Day, he was telling, I have no one to celebrate Valentine's Day. I said, yeah, you can celebrate Valentine's Day with air, ocean and the world. Valentine's Day celebration does not mean it is a celebration between girl and boy. It is your love towards your friends. We can express our love among each other. It can be man to man, women to women, girl to girl also. You can celebrate Valentine's Day. And young children, to all of you again, I wish you all Happy Valentine's Day. Enjoy your moment. And thank you so much. And jotono belai belai hambai diwoi angani kokoron muthakka. Thank you.